My name's Heidi Jackson, and I'm here at Highland Elementary visiting the Mobile Science Lab and getting to talk to Miss Kentucky about her role.
You might see a little bitty sticker on something, and it looks like this. Could be milk, could be eggs, could be chicken nuggets if they make those. Hey, if a farmer wants to make chicken nuggets, they can make chicken nuggets. By golly, they'll do just about anything. But chances are, that'll have a sticker on it and it'll say Kentucky Proud and it'll look just like that. What that means is that product was made, manufactured, processed, or the animal that it come from was raised here in, where are we? Kentucky, that's right.
I'm Heidi Jackson, and I'm here with
Miss Kentucky, Haley Wheeler.
And can you explain to me a little bit about what you're doing here today?
Sure. So part of being Miss Kentucky is that you work for the Department of Agriculture, and a lot of people don't know that the Department of Agriculture runs the Mobile Science and Activity Center, which is designed to provide agriculture-based science and technology and engineering mathematics education to kids, otherwise known as STEM education. And it's a really great way to connect kids to agriculture, which is one of the biggest industries in Kentucky, while at the same time giving them foundational skills in STEM.
And you know who feeds all those mouths? Yep, see, going with your gut. It helps, don't it? Farmers. They feed all of us every single day. If you look down at your plate, you better thank your lucky stars that a farmer existed to make that food for you. That's exactly what their job is. They were kids like you once upon a time. They had a goal, and their goal was to become a farmer, and they did that. But just because they met a big goal don't mean they stopped setting goals. No, 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 because now their goal is to make sure you can eat every day, so you can reach your goals and be whatever it is you want to be in the future.
While I'm here, I kind of provide like the fun aspect and the, I guess, celebrity aspect, because kids think you're a queen or a celebrity, or I got told I was an angel one time. That was interesting. But overall, I'm just here to provide a lot of fun and education at the same time and let kids know how important ag is.